आज हम देखेंगे कि हम वर्ब टू बी को अलग अलग टेंसेस में कैसे यूज करते हैं। इनसे हम सेंटेंसेस भी बनाकर देखेंगे। तो चलिए सबसे पहले प्रेजेंट टेंस देखते हैं। आई एम वेरी गुड एट इंग्लिश। यू आर नॉट रियली गुड एट इंग्लिश। ही इज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड। शी इज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड। It is a very beautiful day. We are going to Mumbai now. They are going to Lucknow today. Past tense में verb to be को कैसे यूज करते हैं चलिए देखते हैं। I was late in the morning. You were living in the building beside my house last year. He was a very shy person before. She was a little late to school in the morning. It was a gloomy day yesterday. We were playing in the park in the evening. They were playing in the park in the evening. Perfect tense में कैसे यूज करते हैं verb to be को चलिए देखते हैं। I have been doing my homework since morning. You have been watching TV since the afternoon. He has been lying on the bed all day. She has been crying about it all day long. It has been a wonderful month for the business. We have been working on this project since a month now. They have been working on the project since a month now. फ्यूचर टेंस में verb to be को कैसे यूज करते हैं चलिए देखते हैं। I will be going to Mumbai tomorrow. You will be late for school if you sleep late. He will be visiting you tomorrow in the afternoon. She will be attending dance classes from now. It will be really great for business if you work really well on this project. We will be going for a picnic this weekend. They will be joining us for the picnic. तो इस तरीके से हम verb to be को अलग अलग टेंसेस में यूज कर सकते हैं। सिंपल है ना? ऐसे ही सिंपल तरीकों से इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए इंग्लिश पार्टनर हिंदी के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।